Hi YouTube, today we're going to have a look at this washing machine and tumble dryer stacking kit from WPro. Okay, so as you can see from the picture, this is a stacking kit which is designed to put your tumble dryer on top of your washing machine. Perfect for when you're limited on space and you've got vertical room but not horizontal room to put them side by side. So this is basically a tray that goes between the two appliances. It also has a slide out tray so you can put your laundry baskets on as well to help load and unload on the tumble dryer on top. Here are some of the recommended companies that recommend this product, and if we just spin around and have a look at the back, there we have a better picture of what the product does. And I'm not sure if you can see that up there, but it does say the perfect solution to optimize space in your laundry area, designed in compliance with international regulations to ensure a secure and stable installation. Comes with a practical slide out shelf to load and unload and fold the laundry without bending over. Total security with safe in lock. Fits any appliance depth 45 to 60 centimeters deep. Easy to install, and the instructions are inside. So without further ado, I'm going to get this out and I'm going to start assembling it, and obviously give you pointers as I go along and see how it all goes together. Okay, so the box is open and inside we have a very large cable tie. We have a cover for the ratchet strap, and here's the ratchet strap, and that goes over the both of the appliances once they're assembled to basically secure it and obviously stop the top item from falling off. Not that I don't think it would fall off. We also have a small bag of goodies here, some rubber feet, some plastic spacers, and also an eyelet you can screw into the wall to help secure everything down if you wish to do so. The instructions, and then the actual tray itself. If I just bring the camera back, there we can see the slide out shelf that's sat on top of the washing machine at the moment. So what I'm going to do is I'll leave the camera running and just start assembling everything, get everything ready, and update you along the way. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is we've got these little plastic feet here, so they just clip into place there like so, and we do that in all four corners. Once they're in place, we then have some rubber pads, and we just stick the rubber pads down onto each one of those plates that we place down. Okay, so next up, we've turned it back over, so we're now the right way up on top of the appliance. And what we need to do is we need to align this edge here with this seam here. So that's done and that's set in place. Then the next step is to set up the ratchet strap. Okay, so the ratchet strap is now unravelled, so we take the open end and we thread it down through the gap there, and that has now got to go down underneath the washing machine and back up on the opposite side there. Okay, so the strap is now through, it's going down underneath and then back up, and then we just looped it round over the side for the moment. Now here comes the fun bit. This is where you're going to need an extra pair of hands. You've got to get the dryer on top. So wish me luck. Okay, so that wasn't too bad. What I'm going to do now is put the strap over the top, connect the two parts of the ratchet strap together, tighten that down, and also put the little white cover on, and then I think we're ready to plug in and go. Okay, so that's everything all plugged in and ready to go. Slide out shelf. It doesn't interfere with the detergent drawer on the washing machine, and also it doesn't interfere with the access panel for the filters on the tumble dryer. So that is brilliant. Everything's all strapped down, so that's all ready to use. Okay, so that is the Universal Stacking Kit for washing machines and tumble dryers from WPro. If you do wish to purchase one, I'll provide a link in the description below where you can get one from Amazon if you wish to do so. And as usual, thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share this video with everyone you know.